Superior material. Shower head with handheld is made of high-strength ABS engineering-grade plastic, stainless steel shower hose with solid brass connection fittings. Self-cleaning nozzles. Shower handheld spray head with 57 precision-engineered high-pressure nozzles, easy to remove sediments and generate powerful spray water. Pause mode. When you want to temporarily turn off water flow and maintain water temperature, pause function saves water and brings you great convenience. Easy installation. Fit any standard shower arm, which means that you install handheld shower head replacement professionally without any tools. Great value package. Shower heads with handheld spray high pressure, overhead bracket, shower hose, washers, plumber's tape. Also as a perfect gift. Handheld shower head. High pressure spray water achieve aerobic massage, promote blood circulation. This strong high pressure is unmatched by other shower heads. Shower bracket. Overhead bracket with brass swivel ball joint, easy to adjust angle manually. Free Teflon tape, tool-free installation, allow for hand tightening. Shower hose. 5 feet stainless steel hose, more durable, flexible and non-kinking, non-rusting. Come with G 1/2 inch IPS straight thread solid brass conical and hex nuts. Top reviews from the United States. Very good shower wand, even better price. For the price I paid, this shower wand has been worth every cent of it. The hose does not tangle. I've had other shower wands that manage to tangle their metal hoses, and the extra functions are a nice plus. The only issue is with my water, not the wand itself. Where I live, the water is very calcium rich, and it is softened as well. So I have to take the wand off every other month to dunk it in cleaner to remove the scale. Other than that, is very good.